Welcome back. Now also in the review section, you'll notice on the right hand side there is a panel for Resume Assistant, and you can click that panel. Now basically when you undertake this, you will be sending information to LinkedIn in order to complete this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click the Get Started button. And basically what you would do is you would put in the role that you'd like to see examples for, as well as the industry. What you would then do is you would then click See Examples. You can then read through the examples. You can determine it to be helpful by clicking Yes. And you can copy and paste this information into your document. You can also look at live examples by clicking this link. And this will take you to LinkedIn so that you can see specific instances of individuals who have this in their profile. You can filter the examples by the skills. And you can use those that you feel are going to be most appropriate for your case. Now you can do all this without going further into LinkedIn, or you can take this route into LinkedIn to look at specific examples. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.